wonder if they have Christmas out. To make it easier for me, I think it would be cute. With anything, you still got ears on, it's cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're leaving for Disney on Thursday. Me and my daughter are gonna take a girls trip slash like a pre-birthday trip for me. And yeah, I had to come to Walmart. There's some last minute things that I needed to get, so I thought, hey, let's do a pack with me video before we go to Disney. So let's go to Walmart, let's get a few things, and then we'll start packing. So it's kind of weird because I feel like they have a lot of their winter stuff out, like warm blankets, warm pajamas and stuff. So I wonder if they have Christmas out. So we're gonna go check that way. I'm always getting sidetracked. It's fine. This is the current situation at Walmart. Wow. Welcome back. So I'm gonna start packing. We're gonna be over there for a total of 3 days. We plan on doing sort of a mixture of Magic Kingdom. We plan on doing Epcot at least for like half a day, and then Hollywood. So we gotta see. I gotta pack, and let me show you what I'm currently packing for Disney World. On Light Cycle Run, I have these blue biker shorts that I'm gonna use. I'm not sure about bags. I know I'm gonna pack my black backpack from Lululemon, and I don't know if I'm gonna use Loungeflies or what I'm gonna use. The most important thing for me is to be able to have like a decent set to wear over there, something comfortable, something that matches with, you know, the corresponding park. So let me show you another Magic Kingdom outfit. My thing was to have a change of shirts, and then just making sure that I can you know, use these biker shorts. So I'm gonna use these blue biker shorts. This shirt says happily ever after. I think I got it from Circa Society. They have really cute shirts. I wanted this to be oversized so I'm comfy, and yeah, I think it's cute. This is one of my favorite Halloween ones. It's from LBV, Lake Buena Visitors. They have a vlog, go check them out. But this is their Nightmare on Main Street shirt from Circus Society. I got it oversized. It does glow in the dark though, so like that's pretty cool. Ears. With this look, I can go for these Haunted Mansion ears, which I got from Mouse Tiara on Etsy. And then I am a brand ambassador for the Grumpy Sunflower Studio, and these are beautiful. They're iridescent, and they also glow in the dark. I'm kind of liking this because I've worn the other ones to the Haunted Mansion to Magic Kingdom, and I feel like this would be cute. So I think this is the moment that we're gonna choose. Haunted Mansion is my favorite ride. If you don't know, now you know. So yeah, I wanted to have a Hatbox Ghost moment. Now let's move on to Epcot. This shirt, it says Rat Ride. Super cute. It's from Main Street Ducks. They're a small shop on Instagram, so if you haven't seen them or follow them, go give them a follow. The owner's really sweet. But yeah, so I think this is cute for a little like Ratatouille moment. Super cute. It's another one for Epcot, and it's a Guardians shirt. It actually has the playlist on here for Cosmic Rewind. This is another Epcot outfit, and then let's move on to Hollywood Studios. Photo. The shirt says Feel the Light, and it has lightsabers, which adorable. This is a baby tee. I have Star Wars ears. I just don't know which ones I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll do I have the glowing lightsaber ones, so maybe my daughter will do that. But yeah, shirt is from Fantasy Feelings as well, and it's a Tower of Terror shirt. I think it's a vibe. So I'm also gonna bring this cutie dress from Cakeworthy. I got it last year. It's Mickey Ghost. I think it would be cute. Not really sure what ears I'd pair with this. I kind of like this for the Halloween party. I just might bring a change of clothes if it gets too hot, possibly for the Halloween party. So I feel like this could be a cute moment, and I think this would be cute for the Halloween party. So I have these packing cubes that I got from TJ Maxx in the luggage section, and I'm gonna start rolling stuff together, rolling up the shirts with the shorts that I'm gonna wear with them to make it easier for me. I might have like one bag Epcot, one bag Hollywood, and one bag Magic Kingdom, just to make it easier for me, because then I can look in there and say, oh, this is my bag for Hollywood Studios. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a little bit of like bracelets. I think bracelets are having like a whole moment right now. I'm gonna take these accessories in there. Now I also have some necklaces that I'm gonna take, which right now they got tangled. I'm gonna have to fix that. This clip from Magic Gloss, which I don't know, I'm indecisive about it. Like, it's a really cute accessory, but my hair is really thick, and so I mean, I feel like it looks cute, it just doesn't work very well in my hair. Now I don't think I might just take a Loungefly for the Halloween party, but this is going to be my Parks backpack. It's important when you're getting a backpack to get one that zips, which you think, yeah, most backpacks zips. Some of the cute like ones from Disney don't zip, and I ran into that. I even had little bags that I had everything in there with, and I kept losing my stuff. So make sure you get a backpack that zips. Also one that holds your water bottle. You'll thank me later. But yeah, those are just some important things. And then if it's easy to wash, like this material, is this like nylon? I don't know. But it makes things easier. So if you had a water bottle that clipped, you could use this. If not, you have the holder. It has different pockets. To me, it's great. So here are some of the things that I take with me into the park. And from Amazon, it also collapses. You do sometimes have to make sure that it's not like turned on or anything, but it has a lot of battery. It'll last me at least a full day in the parks, on and off. This tiny brush, I forget where it's from. It's like a Barbie edition, but besides the pink, there's nothing. This is really cute. Like, even if you were just like in a Loungefly or a fanny, it helps like to detangle your hair, because this last time at the parks, my hair was a hot mess and it got tangled. So I got this pill box so I can pack in my backpack the pills, like the ibuprofen, the Pepto-Bismol, like the allergy medicine, the stuff. So I thought this was so cute, this pouch. I actually got it off of Temu, and it's so cute because it stands right out. Like, other than that, I'm gonna pack ears. I have one more shirt coming tomorrow for me. It's gonna be a pirate shirt, so I'm gonna pack these. I'm just trying to get together some of the Nightmare Before Christmas ones that I have for me and my daughter, because I'm gonna pack our ears in my suitcase. You know, this is from a few years ago, I think. This is a previous design. And then this one's from Main Street Kari from Instagram. It kind of got ugly. It's not from her, it's from the way I had it packed. But these are super cute. Of course, like, if you don't know which ears to wear, these are just classic. Like, they'll go with anything. You still got ears on, it's cute. And then I'm gonna pack my hat. So thanks for watching this video. The next vlog you're gonna see, we're gonna be in Disney, or at least traveling to Disney, but the same day that we travel to Disney, we're going to head into the parks. So when I pack my park bag, I'm gonna make sure that it's ready to go. So as soon as we're off the airplane, we're going to leave our baggage at the hotel and then head to the parks. So that day I'm gonna basically need to be park ready. My bag needs to be park ready. So yeah, so we'll see you guys real soon. Thanks for watching and thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.